I hope you'll find and feel fresh. In today's lecture, really what I'm going to do is actually to recognize you people with something else, and that's really important. Hopefully you know first time and you have dealt with that. Make sure that the purpose of this lecture is not to tell you something new, but mostly you know what I'm going to deliver you today. Actually, you know, but how to do that in a really very easy way. So in today's lecture, the topic on that I'm going to talk is the revolve. Okay, how can you revolve an object through a certain axis? So without any delay on the video, please, if you're first member on my channel and first time you're watching this video, so please subscribe my channel, and after that what to do, press the notification bell icon. So let's start the video. For example, what I should to do, I will make a profile. Like for example, what to make is actually I will, now the line is what, it's the auto is off right now, so I will press F8, so auto will on, and I will draw a line. And for example, right now I'm right randomly, not specifying this line a certain dimension. So I'm come over here. Right now what I'm going to just draw a profile, okay, and okay, but make sure whenever you're going to use the revolve command, so please make sure you're going to make the half of the object. After that, what to do right now I'm going to tell you. For example, and now I'm trimming this extra portion, and okay, now this is my profile that I want to revolve about certain axis. So please, for that, actually you can come over here and select the object, okay, and just click over here. Either you can click at the center or even at the top. Right now I'm clicking at the center, so just what to do, actually just press the enter key. Okay, so it doesn't look right now to you people because it's in word frame and 2D, so right now I'm going to convert it into the 3D. So it was actually right now you can see it in 3D. Okay, so that's amazing. Hopefully you like this video, and again I request you, if you're new on my channel, so please don't forget to subscribe for upcoming videos, and please I will give a description link on that. I uploaded all the AutoCAD course so you can watch that. Wish you all the best. Thanks for watching.